In this video, I'll detail how to turn on show notifications when wrist down on Apple Watch Series 9. So this is a Series 9 feature that allows you to show notifications even when your Apple Watch wrist is down. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is press the crown button once to take you away from the close screen to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings, then scroll down and click on notifications. Once you selected that, scroll down and locate show notifications on wrist down. You can see Apple Watch can show your notifications even when your wrist is down. Click on that. Then here, make sure you enable show notifications. If it is disabled like this, then turn this on. Now you can choose which notifications are visible when your wrist is down. Then scroll down to Apple Watch apps and locate the apps whose notification you want to show when your wrist is down. So in this case, you can just leave everything so that you have access to all the notifications on your Apple Watch even when your wrist is down. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on show notifications on wrist down on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.